In last video, we will discussed about the physical properties of the acid. Today, we will discuss about the chemical properties of acid. So, chemical properties of acid. First of all, when reaction with active metals mean when acid react with the active metal, what will happen? Active metals. Both dilute hydrochloric acid and dilute sulfuric acid react explosively with the active metals like potassium, sodium and calcium. Just as magnesium when reacted with the hydrochloric acid, it produces the salt and liberate the hydrogen gas. On the same way, when ferrous reacted with the sulfuric acid, it produces ferrous salt and also liberate the hydrogen. Remember then when the metals react with the dilute hydrochloric acid and the sulfuric acid, they produce their respective metallic chlorides, metallic salts. Nitric acid is very strong oxidizing agent, so it is not used in the preparation of hydrogen because when it reacts with the salts, it oxidizes the hydrogen and form the water. Now reaction with the base. Reaction with the bases. Acid neutralize base to form salt and water only, just as when copper oxide reacts with the sulfuric acid, it produces copper salt and produce the water. On the same way, when sodium hydroxide react with the nitric acid, it produces sodium nitrate and water. Action of dilute acids on the salt now. Decomposition of hydrogen carbonates and carbonates. Acid liberates carbon dioxide on reacting with the metallic carbonate and bicarbonate, just as when calcium carbonate reacts with the hydrochloric acid, it produces calcium chloride plus water and liberate carbon dioxide gas. On the same way, when copper bicarbonate react with the HCl, it will produce again calcium chloride plus 2 molecules of water and 2 molecules of carbon dioxide is liberates. Do you remember this one that if the salt produced is insoluble, then the reaction does not proceed. So we do not expect lead carbonate to react with the hydrochloric acid. Now decomposition of sulfides and bisulfides liberate the sulfur dioxide, just as when calcium sulfate react with the hydrochloric acid, 2 molecules of hydrochloric acid, it will produce calcium chloride, water and liberate the sulfur dioxide gas. On the same way, when sodium bisulfate react with the hydrochloric acid, it will produce the sodium chloride, water and liberate sulfur dioxide gas. On the same way, when sulfide decomposes, they liberate the hydrogen sulfide gas, just as when zinc sulfate react with the hydrochloric acid, it will produce zinc chloride and liberate hydrogen sulfide gas. Reaction of the acid with the chlorides and nitrates. Few chlorides and nitrates react with the dilute hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acids. For example, when barium chloride react with sulfuric acid, it will produce the salt and barium sulfate. Otherwise, chlorides and nitrates reacts only with the concentrate sulfuric acids and concentrate hydrochloric acid, but it depends upon the condition of the temperature or the pressure, just as when sodium chloride react with sulfuric acid and temperature is below the 200 degrees Celsius, it will produce sodium bisulfate and S2 molecular HCl. The same way, when sodium chloride react with sulfuric acid, but the temperature is more than 200 degrees Celsius. In this case, it will produce sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 plus HCl. On the next video, we will discuss about the bases.